This well-maintained contemporary apartment offers surprising space, privacy and exceptional convenience in this ultra-central location. Just 5 minutes walk to Homebush station, shops, cafes and public schools, and also a few minutes stroll to Strathfield North Village shops. Buses at the door go to Parramatta, Sydney Olympic Park, Road Shopping Centre as well as Westfield Burwood nearby. The T2 and T3 train services run to Parramatta and the city, just a 30-minute train trip away. Plus it's moments to the M4 and the A3 to Ryde and Macquarie Park Technology Precinct. The building has security entry, security lift and secure parking. The apartment offers generous indoor and outdoor entertaining areas with a double lounge and dining area which flows onto a large balcony with open district views. The gas kitchen features stone bench tops, stainless steel appliances and plenty of storage. There are 2 double bedrooms, the master bedroom with built-ins and ensuite, and the second bedroom opening to the balcony, making it ideal as a study. Both bathrooms are fully tiled in stylish white and silver. The main bathroom with bath and separate shower. And there's also an internal laundry with dryer. Well maintained with room to add your own style. This apartment offers broad appeal to first home buyers, downsizers and tenants with easy access everywhere. For further information, please contact Roger McHale Property.